Hello friends, today I am doing the unboxing video for the baby sunglasses. I bought a pair of sunglasses from Lictin and let's do the unboxing video. So I've got this pair of sunglasses. It's from Lictin brand. I ordered a pink color for my daughter and she's 9 months old. And from the description I got to know that this product has 3 pair of straps which are changeable. So I think this would be a very good addition to her accessories, and let me show you what this product has to offer. And you can also hear my daughter in the background. She's pretty excited as I'm doing the unboxing video. And let me show you. Let me open this box. Nice. So this box has this glass, so this box has car-shaped case. This is very cute, isn't it? A pink color case. It's in a car shape. You can see it's very nice. A very good chain. The zip itself is very nice. The look here is good. So this shows that the product is of good quality. And let me show you. This is the glass. This has 3 straps. I'll open it and I'll show you. This is a small manual, very cute manual. I'm not sure whether I'll use it or not, but it's always handy to have. This is a glass cover. This is a cleaning cloth, which is always handy and nice with children. And this is the case itself. Now let me show you the product itself. So this came in this Ziploc, and let's see what this product has. Nice. So this is the glass pair itself. It has these lenses. These are UV protection lenses, and they offer UV 400 protection. These are also very useful for sun glare, and it helps in sun glare reduction. And this frame, it's made up of TPP material, and the strap is made up of SBR material. This zip feature, it's a wraparound feature, and it enables the product to be used for babies aged from 3 months to 36 months. So I think this is really handy to have this feature, as you can measure the circumference of your baby heads and you can adjust it based on the age of the baby or the head circumference of the baby. So my daughter is actually very excited to wear these, and I'll show you very quickly or in some time how she adapts to them. And so this is one pair of strap, which is pure pink. The other pair is somewhat unicorn. Very nice color strap again. Very nice color strap again. Adjustable again, and you can use it for it's a wraparound headband and for the glasses. And this is very cute again. So these 3 straps, they are really nice. They are really cool, very girlish, and goes very well with pink color, and I'm pretty sure my daughter will enjoy them. And as far as the product quality is concerned, I think I'm really very happy with the product itself. The frame itself, it's shatterproof, so I'm pretty sure if I break it, nothing will happen to it. So this is shatterproof. It's quite resistant to the break. Same goes with the lens as well. So the lenses are shatterproof itself. It's because of the good quality product. And at the end, I can only say that I'm very happy with the product. And now I'll show these lenses these glasses on my daughter, and I'll share some cool pictures and videos in the video itself. And thank you for watching my video. Cheers, thank you.